Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture we will cover how to make triangle using graphics. So let's begin. Alright, so now let's discuss how to make triangle, let right angle triangle. Okay, so I can write x dot forward and then I'll write the distance, let's just say 100. Now I'll turn my angle into 90 degree since it is a right angle triangle. So I'll write 90. So now I'll uh, just again turn my angle to 100 degree or move my turtle to 100 degree more. So now I'll run it and show you guys. Okay, so we have got 100 pixels this, then we turn 90 degree and then we again move 100 pixels. Now I need to find this side, and also I want to find this angle. So as you guys can see, since this cursor is on the right hand side and pointing to the right hand side, which means I need to traverse turn it to some angle this much. I have to swap it to left by how much. So let's just say if I know this angle, let it okay, so I will just subtract it from 180 degree to get my this angle. Since both the sides are equal, 100 and 100, and this is 90, so these two sides angle should also be equal, just basic triangle concepts. So this angle should be 45 degree. So I'll just write 180 degree minus 45. Now talking about the side I want to traverse, it will be obtained using the Pythagoras theorem, which says c square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, so let's just do this also. So I'll write x dot left and I'll just write 180 minus 45, and now I'll just write x dot forward, which will be obtained by c equals to a square plus b square. A and b are both same, which is 100 and 100, so it will be square root of, you can say, 20k. So it will come out to be approximately 141 point something, let's just say 421. And let me just run it. And yes, as you guys can see, we get an approximately right angle triangle. So let's discuss another example now. Okay, so now we will discuss another example, but in this I will not make all these sides, or you can say these 100 and 100 sides, so I'll just change them. So let's just say I'll use first side 120, and then I'll making right angle triangle, so x left to 90 degree and x dot forward, let's again change it to, you can say, 50. So let me just run it until this, and we'll see the difference. So let me just run it. Okay, so this side is my 120 pixel, then 90 degree angle, then 50 pixel. So again, as I've told you, this side should come out of Pythagoras theorem, which is c square plus a square plus b square, which will come out to be 130. And talking about now this angle, okay, so now you have to use some, what you can say, trigno. If you don't know, just remember, to find this angle you have to google it, tan inverse of this side upon this. Okay, so make, I am saying this side, which is usually it is height of over base, so I of that angle. Since we are talking about this angle, let's just say x, so tan of x will be uh, base upon perpendicular. So if you are seeing from this side, so if you are seeing from this side, it will be base upon uh, you can say height upon base only. So now let's since we know this size, this is 120 and this is 15. So to find this angle, which is say x, so x will be equal to tan inverse of 12 upon, you can say, 5. So let I have already calculated it out. It will be come out to, you can say, 67. So I'll just write 180 minus 67.3805. You can google it and calculate on the internet only. So let's just write x dot forward, since I know the distance, which will be 130. I'll write just 130, and now let's run it. So yes, you guys can see we have got an right angle triangle with this side 120, this 50, and the you can say hypotenuse equal to 130. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you guys like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.